Thank you for joining me today. So, this is the sketch we're going to be using as our uh, template for today, and we're going to go ahead and dive on in. I'm using the Hip Kit Club, the Christmas collection from December 2018, just last month. I had a photo from work. We did ugly sweaters, and I wanted to craft that. So, I'm just attaching a white mat, and then I'm going to add up the layers from the scraps that I have kind of torn over on the left side. As far as the sketch itself, the photos and everything was kind of there. It was more of a thinner section, but since my photo was a little bit bigger, it was okay. I did what I could, and then you'll see the blue paper that I wanted to use. I'm gonna wind up putting at the top and the bottom of the photo, creating like a mat all around. So, and right there, there was a little bit, there wasn't enough of the other red showing, so I tore that off, and then I was going to put it on the right and the left side, and then I realized, you know what, I think it'll work better this way, and you get to see the pattern. So that's how we're going to do it, and we're going to put it over here on the side. And so as I kind of lay everything out and figure out what ephemera and other things we're going to use to decorate, I'm going to let the music play while we put this layout together. And I will check back in with you guys at the end when we do our splattering. So now we got our cubby out and we're gonna do our splatter. And I decided I wanted to start with the gold shimmer spray. It's called Goldilocks. And with this one, I was trying to use the nozzle to put down some of the gold, and it's a thinner, it's hard to explain. It's more like a shimmer mist. So I wound up doing a couple of sprays from far away, so that way it would have a little bit of shimmer depending on how the light hits it. And then after that, I went ahead and took the Black Soot Distress Spray, and we're just adding the splatters for that. And then because I didn't use, I was showing you the clear gesso, the splatters went and were sucked in by the paper right away. So when you don't use the gesso, the fibers in the paper, they absorb quicker. So if you use the gesso, it'll sit on top more, and you just have to be careful because it's very easy to spread. Okay. So as we go further, we're going to have close-ups of the project. I just want to thank you guys for joining me today. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and share button. And at the very end, I will have links to previous layouts. And if you guys have any suggestions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. I do try and answer them. It may not be the same day or the same minute, but I do try to answer anything that you guys leave as a comment. So thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day.